There's no medical use, a high potential for abuse, and what's worse, it's deadly.
U-47-700 is blamed for nearly a dozen deaths in the Sunshine State, and now several states, including Florida, are trying to stop its spread.
WESH2's Gail Pascal-Brown tells us why Florida has banned this man-made chemical from hurting anyone else.
One child's death is too many.
U-47-700 is the latest super drug invading Florida, and you've probably never heard of it. Unlike other drugs, it has no medical use.
It's causing psychotic disorders like we've never seen before. It's causing people to completely lose a sense of reality.
The drug is a synthetic and cannot cure any disease, but it does have a high potential for abuse and is responsible for 9 deaths in the Sunshine State, including one in Orange County.
I believe it was a young man in his 20s, found unresponsive in his home.
Dr. Joshua Stephanie is a medical examiner for Orange and Osceola counties. The drug is a concern because it's cheap, costing only $40 a gram. It's also almost 8 times stronger than morphine.
It's a depressant, so it will depress your respiratory system, so your breathing slowly stops.
It can also be bought online and in several forms, such as a nasal spray, powder, and pills. Users have no idea what it's being mixed with.
Really, you don't know what you're getting, so it's every time you buy something on the street, it's like Russian roulette.
The synthetic drug is fairly new to Florida, but has led to 5 deaths in Pinellas County, 3 deaths in Bay County near the Panhandle. All those deaths happen around spring break, and 1 in Orange County.
If you're importing this, if you're manufacturing this, if you're mixing it with other things, we are coming after you because we are going to save lives.
The quick spike in deaths and emergence of the drug led Attorney General Pam Bondi to announce an emergency rule outlawing this psychoactive substance.
You know, we had one client that had severe organ failure.
In the past 6 months, professionals at Serenity Springs Recovery Center in Edgewater have helped 8 clients struggling with U-47-700.
We don't know how permanent it is.
Serenity Springs starts with residential treatment, but there's also intensive outpatient care. But when it comes to U-47-700, the drug is so new that the long-term effects are unknown.
There is treatment and we can help, but you know, 5, 10, 20 years down the road, it's going to be scary to see what the long-term consequences are.
Are you concerned about its spread?
Well, there's always a concern about a new drug spreading into a new territory or a new district. That's why we test for everything.
I'm Gail Pascal-Brown for WESH2 News.
Well, when it comes to the weather, we have